They've all been watching.
We have to do something, and we have to do it now.
Friended Dark Web is a 2018 American screenlight horror film written and directed by Stephen Susco. In his directorial debut, shot as a computer screen film, it stars Colin Woodell, Rebecca, Betty Gabriel, Conan Del Rio, Andrew Lees, Stephanie Nogueras, and Sabira Winjani. It's a story about a group of people who spend their time online and discover a disturbing truth about the laptop they have. The characters they have is Machan O'Brien, the main man, and his girlfriend Amaya, and the one Damon, AJ, DJ Lex, Serena Lunch, Nari.
What are the trends tackled in the film? If there's any, please elaborate.
The ICT trends, the film show us that the main platform they use is Discord and Facebook, a social media platform where anyone can communicate to whoever they want. The film showed that they spend all their time in a group Discord meeting.
Okay, next. Are there any threats tackled in the video? If there's any, please elaborate.
The internet threats that they have in the film is the primary internet threat depicted is a group of malicious online hackers known as the Charons or the Circles who operate on the dark web, able to infiltrate and manipulate various online platforms like social media, video chat, and even control personal devices.
What are the lessons you learned from the film?
The lesson I learned from the film is don't steal anything you don't know who's the real owner, and don't wait for the last moment to take action, and be always aware of what you do online and don't do anything stupid if you can face the consequences.